The Christmas season is around the corner and exit competition is heating up. Brace yourself for this exclusive video as I uncover 4 trending AI-powered digital product ideas that not only promise a boost in earnings but also have minimal competition. Are you ready to be mind blown? Let's dive into the act of crafting this digital product from scratch. So without wasting any time, let's get straight to the point. The first product that caught my eye was this 3D Christmas ornament design. Going beyond the ordinary, this design promised more than just a trim for the Christmas tree. Boasting over 500 monthly sales and a total revenue of $6,000, the demand is ringing louder than jingle bells. Now, before we jump into the creative process, what's your favorite type of Christmas ornament? Drop a comment below. Now, let's make the magic happen. First, create a prompt by describing one of the image products of our competitor. Then, I'll ask ChatGPT to provide 10 popular Christmas characters, which I'll use in a prompt I created. After that, I'll head over to Canva AI, my preferred mid-journey alternative. But first, I'll create the design custom size. Once I am done, I'll head to the elements section and search for circular frame. Then I navigated to Canva AI to generate my prompt. Now, what if I fancy this particular AI image and I want Canva AI to generate more variations like this? To do this, I click on these 3 dots and choose generate more like this, and I will get more similar result to that one design I chose. Once I've selected the ones I prefer, I'll drag it into the frame to fit in, or I'll choose the crop option to position it better. Now, all I have to do next is to copy the Christmas characters and replace with the one in the prompt to get more design. And I hope you're still watching because the next product is a game changer. Generated over $5,000 in the last 12 months and $11,000 in total revenue. But first, let's jump into another high demand product, which is the Christmas earring design, and it has already made 3 sales in the last 24 hours, indicating a strong market demand. Now, let's dive into it. But here's a quick question. What's your favorite Christmas accessory? Drop a quick one in the comments if you're excited to design your own Christmas earring with me. Now, back to the design. I asked ChatGPT to give me 10 image generation prompt idea for a Christmas pattern design. This pattern design will be used as the background, and I'll add a clip art design in the front because it seems like this format sells well on Etsy. Once I had my design, I copied to Canva AI to generate my design, and I picked the one I liked the most. Then, just like how I did in the ornament design, I brought in a circular frame and fit my design in. And guess what? Canva has loads of Christmas clip art design you can use to spice up your own creation. Now, let's talk about the next product design idea that is killing it in sales, which is this Christmas tag design, ranking in a total revenue of $11,000. Making this design is as straightforward as it is. Start by finding the right tag size on Canva. Once that's sorted out, look for a watercolor Christmas tree in the elements section. For the text, just search for a stylish Merry Christmas font in the elements section. And just like that, your tags are good to hit the market. But before we move on, let me know, have you ever created your own Christmas tag? Share your tag design idea or experience in the comment section. Now, saving the grand finale for the most demanded product, which is this Christmas digital paper. This product is the most demanded because it can be used as gift wrapping paper, and this product alone has made a total revenue of $2,000. And the best part, the competition is low. Now, when it comes to creating this, it's pretty simple. But before we dive in, digital paper is not just for wrapping gifts, it's a canvas for creativity. So what's your favorite way to use digital paper during the holidays? Share your thoughts and let's explore the endless possibility together. First, head to Canva and look for some cool vintage plaid pattern. Then search for any silhouette Christmas icon. Pick the one that catch your eye and put them together on your design. Once you're content with your creation, hit that export button. Now you can either sell it as it is or by making it seamless. Just head to this seamless generator website to effortlessly transform your design into a seamless masterpiece. Now, I want to say every idea shared in this video has been carefully analyzed and holds high potential. So, are you ready to turn these ideas into earnings? Which product are you most excited to create? Let me know in the comments. And if you have any question, I'll be happy to help. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you on the next one.